julep, julep, julep.
Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm making acoustic panels for my office / media room. It's a pretty simple concept. You just want to take some 2x4s, cut them to the dimensions you need, pre-drill your holes, and then screw them together. What I like about this is it's really simple, really affordable, and anyone could do this. Here's the frame, and I'm just using regular insulation for walls because I had a bunch of extra left over. I'll put a link in the description to some other types of insulation you can use. This one is for thermal and sound, but there are insulations that are better suited to this. I just had this laying around and I wanted to see if it would work. The cloth I'm using is just 100% cotton cloth. I got it from Hobby Lobby. You can try Joann's. You can even get it off Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. And all you're going to do is cut your fabric to the length. I like to leave a little bit of overhang because it's always nice to have a little extra to work with rather than coming up a little short. And here I'm just using a level so I can get a straight line. I'm also using fabric scissors here. My wife is into sewing and making clothes, so she had some fabric scissors laying around. It's not necessary, but if you have some, it makes the job a lot easier. Then you're going to unfold your fabric, and then we're going to lay our frame on top and start to position it to where you want the fabric to be, and make sure that it's as stretched out as possible. And then I just start on one side, go to the middle, then I go all the way to the end, place another staple, go to the opposite end, and then fill in afterwards. This first side you don't have to do a lot of stretching, but this is a good starting point, so you want to make sure it's even. As I'm going along, I'm stretching it and then stapling. Stretch, staple, stretch, staple, every time. So after that, I'm just going to cut all the excess off. You want to come as close to the staples as you can when you're cutting. Set the excess fabric to the side. We're going to use that later. And this is how I do corners. Tuck the excess and make a 45-degree angle. Put a couple of staples. And fold over the corner so that the seam is on the edge. This is really hard to explain, but if you can kind of mimic what I do here, you'll have nice clean edges on all four corners. Then I'll staple it, and then afterwards I'm going to cut away that little bit of excess. Just give it a slight pull as you staple all the way down. Now after all the sides are done, we're going to take the insulation that we cut earlier, put it face down. Then, with the excess fabric we had before, we're going to cover up the back so that no insulation can get out. And all we're doing is just stapling one side, stretching the fabric to the other side, putting staples, and then filling in the rest. Cue the time lapse. It's such a clean look, such a professional look to add to any room that you need some type of sound canceling. If you have a room that has a lot of echo and you want to get rid of that echo, this is a perfect addition to any home theater or office. Thanks for watching, guys. Go ahead, like, subscribe, and tell me what your favorite part of this video was. I appreciate you. We'll see you next time.